UPI, Coaching Shipyard Limited has introduced number of vacancies for the post of manager. Yes, UPI's Coaching Shipyard Limited has introduced the vacancies for the manager, and these are 24 vacancies which are out. These posts are related to assistant manager, deputy manager and senior manager. Applications are going on currently, so if you want to apply, you can apply for that. And yes, in the video we are going to cover the complete notification, in which we will talk about the desirable experience which is required, what is the age, educational qualification, age limit which is required. We will talk about the selection procedure and how can you apply for that, what is the salary package they are going to provide. We will talk about it in detail. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe our channel if you have come here. And yeah, let's talk about the vacancy introduced by UCSL. So UCSL has introduced 24 vacancies and the notification is out here. If we talk about the post, then we will talk about the post of assistant manager, deputy manager and senior manager in the different fields. So yeah, if we talk about the post of assistant manager in engineering, then yeah, degree will be required here with 60% of marks, and minimum experience of 15 years will be required, and 5-year experience as a team lead. So whatever the post which is come out here, so in the vacancies they are clearly mentioning you should have some experience, you should have the degree in a particular domain, and you should have the experience of team lead basically. So in the complete vacancy, in the complete notification, you will check this out. If we talk about the post of assistant general manager, mechanical engineering degree is required here, or you are from electrical, electronics or communication background, from instrumentation, you can apply for the post. 15 years if 15 years managerial experience will be required here, 3 years experience will be required as a team lead. And yeah, if we talk about the post of senior manager, degree will be required in engineering, diploma in industrial safety will be required, and yeah, 12 years experience is also required here, and 3 years experience in a relevant field. If we talk about the post of manager, then degree in mechanical, electrical, naval architecture is required, 60% marks should be here. 9 years experience is required here, 3 years experience is required in a particular field. And yeah, for the post of manager in planning, the degree in mechanical, electrical, naval architecture, marine engineering is required with 60% of the marks. Experience is also required of 9 years. Desirable experience will be of 3 years in planning and project management function. So if we talk about the post of management hull, then degree is required, graduation is required in mechanical engineering, naval architecture with 60% of marks, and yeah, 9 years experience is required, 3 years experience is required in a particular field here. And yeah, if we talk about the post of manager electrical, then of course the degree related to electrical engineering or electronics is required here. You can apply for that if you have completed your graduation and you have the relevant job experience. So 9 years job experience is required here. And if we talk about the post of manager quality control, then degree in mechanical engineering with 60% is required. Candidates should have 9 years of managerial experience, that will be also required of course. Desirable experience is also mentioned here. You should have the experience of English and Hindi language also, so then you can apply for the current post. Manager's post in accommodation outfit is also required here. And yeah, educational qualification will be the graduation, and 9 years experience you should have, specialization you should have in a particular domain. You can apply for the post then. The post of manager in piping, degree is required in mechanical engineering or marine engineering with 60% of the marks. 9 years management experience is required here. 3 years experience as a team lead is required. Of course, in picking, chemicals, this experience is also required here. For the post of manager in machinery, mechanical engineering degree is required, naval architecture and marine engineers educational is required here with 60% of the marks. 9 years job experience is also required here, and of course desirable experience in the particular field, that is also required here. For the post of deputy manager, chartered accountant is required here. So if you have completed your CA, then you can apply for the post. If you have the minimum 7 years experience, then you can go for that. And yeah, for the post of assistant manager in planning, degree is required in engineering and of course in naval architecture, marine engineering also. And yeah, 3 years experience is required here, and last one experience should be in planning and project management function. For the post of assistant manager in hull erection, clearly mentioned the degree is required in mechanical, 3 years experience will be there, desirable experience in a particular field. For the post of assistant in hull steel preparation, degree is required here in mechanical engineering with 60% of the marks, and 3 years minimum experience is required here. And yeah, for then the post of assistant manager is here in electrical navigation and communication. Degree in electronics, electrical communication is required, of course, and then you can apply for it. You should have the experience of 3 years here, minimum 3 years experience. Assistant manager post is here in electrical and power lightning. Degree is required here with 60% of the marks. Minimum 3 years experience is required. Good communication you should have in English and Hindi. And the post of assistant manager is here in electrical controls and automation, and here the degree is required for electrical and electronics. If you have that, or if you have your education, your graduation in instrumentation, then you can apply for the post. 3 years experience is required. Of course, communication in English and Hindi is required here. For the post of assistant manager in machinery or system, mechanical engineering domain is required here. Relevant experience is required here. Same for the assistant manager post in machinery prop systems, in assistant manager post in piping, the relevant experience is required over here. And for the assistant manager post, degree in mechanical engineering in 60% of the marks is required here. For total minimum 3 years experience if you have, then you can go for that. Experience is required here. English Hindi language proficiency is required here. Then comes the main important thing, that is the important dates. Notification is out, applications are going on currently, and if you want to apply, then you can apply before 8th October. Don't wait for the last date, because it is totally online application and portal can be busy on that time. So apply before 8th October 2023. Applications are going on currently. We are providing the website link of UCSL. You can go through with the website, you can go through with the complete notification that we are going to provide you. And yeah, if you talk about the positions, total 24 vacancies are out in assistant general manager, senior manager, manager, deputy manager and assistant manager. So you can apply for these posts. If you talk about the pay scale, they are going to pay from 40,000 to 2 lakh to 20,000 here for these vacancies. And yeah, basic pay scale, the clear instruction, totally everything is mentioned over here. If we talk about the age limit here, then age limit is different for the different positions. For senior manager and manager post, 40 years maximum age is here till 18th September, and for deputy manager maximum age should be 35. For assistant manager maximum age should be 30 years here. Now let's talk about the selection procedure. It is clearly mentioned in the notification. Once you will apply for these posts, then you can be asked for the personal interview and for the presentation. First of all, the PowerPoint presentation will be there related to your experience. You just need to mention your experience through the presentation. Once you will shortlisted after that presentation, then you will be called for the personal interview. So proper marks are mentioned here. For the PowerPoint presentation, 80 marks are here, and for the personal interview, 20 marks are here, and then you will get selected for these current posts. And yeah, of course, if we talk about the posting, that will be totally in Karnataka, and it can be in any sector, in public and government sector. So it will be totally depend upon that after your selection where your posting will be. Now if we talk about the application procedure, application is totally online. All you have to do is you just need to visit the website of UCSL. We are providing the complete notification link, application link and the official website link in the description. So don't forget to check out the description and don't follow to our Telegram channel, because we are providing number of vacancies over there. And yeah, if you want to apply for that, all the best for the application, because these vacancies are very good. Of course, experience is required here, but yeah, the salary package is good here. Those who are already doing job, they can go through with the complete notification, because there are multiple things which are completely mentioned here. Like, of course, if you want to go for the another job, there should be no any objection certificate you should have for the particular position to apply. So everything you just need to take care of it, and yes, go and apply for that if you are applying for it. All the best for the application.